Alright, I'm gonna do a little bike check. So for the handlebars, I got Shadow Voltus, and for the grips, I have ODI long neck. Let's see. For the stem, I got a Fit BF stem. I got Fit shivs. For my front wheel set, I got a Shadow Raptor hub with titanium spokes, laced to a Primo balance. Let's see, my tires are Odyssey P lights. My frame, I got a Volume Drifter, Aiken Nightwolf seat, a Fit seat post clamp or seat post. For my cranks, I got Shadow Torrid. I kind of lost the screw right there. See, for my sprocket, I got a Fit DLS with the Shadow Half Flank V2. For pedals, I got some Odyssey twist pedals. For the back wheel set, I got a Collation Reculum hub, titanium spoke laced to an Alienation 440 rim.